How to make the selective color effect. Today's video is sponsored by Hugo Boss. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a chroma key in empty space, and connect your clip to this node. Open the color range menu, and bring down the red slider until you are satisfied with the selection. You can also go to the matte tab and invert the selection if you want. Back to the color tab, increase the soft range slider. Add a color correction node after. Increase the strength of the color to your liking, right-click to the tint and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and increase the scale value to 2. Add a glow node, bring down the shine threshold. Right-click to the gain slider and select to modify it with shake. Go to the modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness slider and increase the minimum slider to 0.3. Connect the glow node to the merge as a foreground and your effect is ready. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you can relax, it's the end of this long video.